Well, good morning, guys. Wednesday, right? Yeah, Wednesday. So today my idiot sister finally gets to drive the C8s. We're gonna drive over there, pick her up. We'll take her for a little drive, and then we'll swap seats and let her see how she likes it. So let's go hop in the car. So yeah, my sister's actually kind of my neighbor now. She's in my neighborhood, so we'll be there in about 2 seconds. Oh, look how patriotic that is.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, no.
You're gonna be in the internet now.
I don't want to.
It's too late.
You're gonna edit that part out.
No. Hi, Harper. This is Harper. I'm trying that again. My sister wants me to pretend like she answered the door. Oh, hey. Hope you mind. I just walked right in. It's my sister's house. Oh, this is the bird.
Say hi, bird.
That's the bird's name, right? Bird?
Bird. Say hi, bird.
This is why everyone clicked on this video to watch this bird and you interact with it.
Hi, bird.
All right.
She's proving me to be a liar.
Yep.
She does like to
Wow,
talk.
you're not kidding. That thing doesn't shut up. Have you been in here yet?
No. Hey, look, my outfit matches. Friskies!
That is weird that, I guess our schedule has just been off.
Spark, look at my feet.
I can't see them. Oh, you can't touch the ground?
No. It's gonna be interesting.
I mean, that'd be right.
Oh, look at these.
What is it?
All these parts.
Oh, yeah, that's the end. I thought you were looking at something cool outside. Isn't it
So
weird to see the
loud.
motor behind you?
Yeah. I thought it was glass top.
No.
It's just T-top?
Yeah, it comes off. It's funny. I'll forget I'm driving. I'm used to driving it now. It's whatever. And people always look at me and I'm like looking at it like I have a car.
Is this lower to the ground than your yellow one?
No. That one is lowered though. Like I
Mm-hmm.
dropped it 2 inches from factory. This one, I'm getting lowering springs for it. It'll be here next month.
You're doing it yourself?
Just a little bit, yeah, it's really easy.
When you do remove these, is it all like up here or oh you gotta
No.
unlatch?
This and this and this. It's super easy. You can take the top off in like 30 seconds.
But you have to be parked because you have to put it away,
Yeah.
right? Does it go in the back?
Yep.
Look at a little baby Dalmatian. Oh my god,
Oh,
he's
it is a
so
little
cute.
bit. Yeah, you never see those.
You never see
A
them.
baby Dalmatian. It's like a baby pigeon. Have you ever seen one?
No, but I
They
bet
don't
baby,
exist.
baby pidgeys.
Think about it. Have you ever seen a baby pigeon? They just appear.
They just
Yeah.
the sky.
Fucking weird. So what are your first impressions of it inside?
Very much like a cockpit.
Yeah.
It's very
Yeah.
catered to the
It's
driver.
very driver-centric. Driver
Yeah.
focused,
And this like this big bold area here where you
yeah.
can't
It
really
keeps the passenger like, you stay the fuck over
stay
there.
the fuck over there.
Now, okay, we'll swap and then you can drive. The blind spot on the right side's terrible. I'm used to it, but for you, if you want to get in the right lanes, let me know. I'll make
Okay.
sure you're good.
Is it because the back ass wing, right? Like this, the
It's just a design mid-engine, that big wall right there, and this is the cheapo model, the 1LT, so I don't have the blind spot monitoring.
okay.
But there's been a couple times I'm like, shit, here we go. I hope I don't hit anyone. I'll leave an automatic mode for you.
Okay. So I can just feel it.
Yeah, just he's driving normally. If you step on it, you'll know.
Okay.
But just cruising around, very tame. Very
Okay.
tame.
Are we going to Shea Terrace?
No, we'll do kind of the same
Route?
Yeah, we did last time.
And what I don't want to see. She got the horsies.
Yeah, that's quick. Felt a little slower. I got this dead weight over here. Love the little pops. But you cannot be incognito in this car. Everyone just fucking looks at you.
Yeah.
So,
Can you see Kiwanis from here? That's where my
What is that?
fiance works.
oh, it's that gay bar. This car is so easy to drive, dude.
Wait, is it pretty tight?
It is in this mode, in track mode. In touring, it's very loose. It's fun though, isn't it?
It is fun.
You get pretty shitty gas mileage. I mean, I drive it like an asshole, but
So it could be better.
it could be better. Yeah.
What do you get then on average? What, 10, 12?
Nah, like 15.
That's not.
My
horrible.
C5 gets much better gas mileage.
Which one is more fun?
I definitely like banging the gears in the C5Z.
Mm-hmm.
This though, I feel more like
Bougie.
sophisticated. Like, I don't know. They're both fun in their own ways. This one's much more of a cruiser. It's just different.
Do you know why chickens are so funny?
No, come and tell me.
Because!
Because why? Was that the joke? That's stupid.
No, because!
That's stupid.
Hollis told me that joke. It was good.
Hollis is her accountant.
She's 9. I remember we were over there before. And I saw a Christmas tree. It works. Get that Camaro, bro.
It needs to get louder though.
All right, what are you gonna do about it?
Make it louder.
Exhaust?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is that on the to-do list?
Not too far away.
Okay.
Probably by April.
Well, isn't this a pretty little area? I took your yellow one out here.
Yeah. Dude, that was 2 years ago?
Yeah, when I first got out here.
Year and a half ago. What year were we in? 22?
Yeah, I came out here in 21.
Okay.
April 21.
Yep.
Make those go.
And that shit fucking cool, dude.
Yes.
Fucking remove, dude. This is lucky, I'm sorry.
She's a little quicker than your yellow
A
one.
little quicker, yeah. God damn, it never gets old, dude.
I know, the joke is great. You want to tell that joke at work? Go again.
What was the joke? I'm trying to show you the awesome Corvette. You're obsessed with this stupid fucking chicken joke. Alright, we'll switch. Let's
Okay. Is he turning? Yeah.
You don't gotta put it in, man. You can keep it in automatic.
Okay.
But it's more quicker fast. I can't even fucking talk right now. It's faster in the manual mode. It's not hard. I know
Get the marbles out of your mouth, bro.
I know how you female brains work. I won't pressure you.
The vagina gets in the
I
way.
know.
Okay.
All
All
right.
right, let's do this.
See
How do
if
I
you
open
can
the
figure
door?
it out. You're doing so good.
This?
Yeah, there you
Oh,
go.
it's automatic.
This is my C7, yeah.
Oh shit. Hello. Can you go? It's below.
We should have a lot of good footage. This should be pretty funny.
Is this all automatic?
Yep, on the left, yep. This is high. I've never sat over here. Next, you know I have with Callie. Yeah, this seat position's weird. You have a lot of room though.
Yeah, but my feet dangle.
Yeah, you gotta go down. Yeah, you get comfortable. Where you're. There you go. Seatbelt.
Surprised it's not a 5-point purse.
Oh,
Wait,
it's
this thing
coming.
moves. Just my nerves. The hell?
What's wrong?
How do I see out of this damn thing?
You can't see?
So I just look at the engine and
Look behind it. You can see. There's a reflection right there, but you can see behind it. It's fine. It's weird to get used to. I know.
okay. All right.
And you can reach the pedals. Cool. So when you're ready, parking brakes off. Cool. Put your foot on the brake. It's on there.
What's that smell?
What does it smell like?
Burning.
Oh, it's probably because I was getting on it. So a lot of the parts are still burning in. Foot on the brake, right? And you want to go and drive, right? Make sure
Yes.
no one's coming. You're gonna pull back on this. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, dude. I appreciate it, man.
Thanks, man.
You get that every 20 minutes. Anytime you stop, every stoplight. Okay, foot on the brake. Assuming you're not like Miami or California, in a little town, people are excited about it. If you live in like Miami, you don't give a shit, right? Now pull this up towards you. Cool. Now you're gonna drive. You're good.
But what if I want to reverse?
You pull this.
Oh, this is weird.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a backup camera?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
It's really nice, dude.
Okay.
And once you drive this, you're gonna want one. Heads up.
Don't I know? I'm already looking at
All right.
one for a wedding gift for Nate. I was only going on this street just get a feel for it. Okay. Oh, it's 25 in here. Okay, I'll be good. I'm only going 15. Just kidding. Okay. What the hell? Where am I going?
I don't know.
Hold on, let me get situated.
Yep.
Oh shit. Nate, I think we need one. Orange.
Left. Yep.
Ah.
Left there.
Ooh, this baby just
It's tight,
ooh,
isn't
she's
it?
tight.
Yeah. That's what he said. that is best friend's butthole.
Oh, this is nice.
So, for example, we were stopped for a second and someone just stops and talks to you. Everywhere you go, you have a friend. Everyone wants to talk to you.
Oh, this is nice. Doesn't even feel like I'm going 69.
It's scary, dude. You can
Oh,
do a 90,
nice.
so you're doing 40.
Oh,
And the
this is
suspension's
nice.
so nice. You would never think it'd be this nice in a car like this.
You know, I will say this. hell of a fun car to drive.
Yeah.
Lots of power. The yellow one,
Oh, my
had more fun.
Oh, my C5Z. Yeah. You
more
missed
fun.
that element of a standard.
You feel the car.
Yeah. And that's a video I did a couple weeks ago comparing the two, and it's just this is fun. It's nice. It's more refined, but it doesn't have that rawness
Like
of
you're
having a
part of the
manual.
car.
Yeah. What do you think of this square steering wheel?
Actually, I didn't think I'd like it.
I thought I would hate it.
However, it's really nice.
Yes.
To
Ergonomically, it feels very
Yep.
proper for the
very
car.
easy to
Yeah.
steer. Much easier. For my little girly phalanges.
Who's been teaching you all this stuff?
Phalanges?
You've been learning again on the internet?
Yes.
I told you about that.
I know. Between that and my 9-year-old,
Yes.
she teaches me a lot. You want to go, Lexus? Let's go. Oh, it still smells new.
I love that smell, dude. Oh my god, it's intoxicating. Oh, I
Wow,
always
wow.
try to keep the windows up in the garage. I want to keep it in
Yeah.
here.
How does it feel to be in the passenger?
It's weird. It's strange. Like,
What is your take on that little
oh, I
Swiss
like it.
little bucket?
I mean, I own it, so I don't give a shit. But Callie is okay with it. I mean, she doesn't have a choice.
Oh, you're right. These blind spots are
Yeah.
bitch. Yeah, you can't even see that way.
Yeah, you really got to trust your mirror video.
You all should feel it though. It's really
I love
fun.
the exhaust note too.
Yeah.
It's a little too quiet for me, but
Yeah.
it sounds good though.
Your yellow one's louder.
Oh, that one's obnoxious.
Yes.
I noticed in this car, whatever an off ramp says, you can double that safely.
Okay.
So it says,
I'm
like
kidding.
25, you can do 50, 60.
Well, it's so low,
Yeah.
and the traction on this is way nicer
Oh yeah.
than the other vets.
Yeah, my C5Z, I think it's squirrely. But this thing with the motor almost on the rear wheels, we lost the rear end a little bit when manual mode. You can get on in here. There you go.
Holy shit, y'all!
Isn't that cool?
Ooh, stop sign. Stop light. Woo! I want to get like a Toyota Corolla next to us. Take his doors off. But this Chevy Equinox will do. Do you remember, bro, when I was right behind you?
Yes. I was right here. We were at this light, yeah.
And I got this video, but I
was
didn't have my
terrible.
windows down.
Yeah, I couldn't hear a damn
Couldn't
thing.
hear a damn thing. But it looked
Could
really
you hear it
pretty,
though?
Yes,
Okay,
absolutely.
cool. All the exhaust and motors behind you, so you don't hear a lot of the exhaust noise.
But they do.
But behind you, you hear it, yeah. You can get on it, yeah.
Oh my God, Nate! We need one. School zone.
It's intoxicating, isn't it? You just
It
want
is.
everywhere you go, you want to fucking floor.
This is
And the
so
throttle
much
response is so quick.
immediate.
Yes. No lag.
None. It's almost like the Tesla, like the
It
immediate
almost
response.
feels like an electric car.
Mhm.
It's so quick.
Without being a bullshit
Yeah,
electric
yeah,
car.
exactly. My sister's owned 2 Teslas in the past, but P85s, right?
P85 plus.
I don't know all
yeah.
the fucking terms for it.
Yeah. They were pretty quick, but this one,
It's
And they
different.
could.
This has
It's
more
different.
soul to it. You can hear it.
Mhm. Yeah, the Tesla, you can't hear shit.
No.
However, this guy,
And I like the feeling your eyes you get like back in your head. Let's know a car's fast when you're like,
Mama's gonna get your food line real quick. Oh my God, this thing's beautiful. And your ticket out the door was how much?
67.
I almost
Like-
bid off at Hendrick.
I know you told me that day. Well, they wanted 90
95.
for a 2LT, which I think the sticker was like 72. Crazy markup. This
And-
was 2 months ago.
And I offered 85 cash, and they said,
Yeah.
"Psh, kick rocks." I'm like,
But you can get them now for a very small weight at sticker.
yeah. But if I do it, I want to get exactly what I want. And I
Yeah.
want to settle. And
I
really
recommend
like the orange
for
one.
you the 2LT. That way you'll get more of the goodies. Cool heated seats, blind spot monitoring.
the mommy elements.
Yeah. All the more creature comforts. For me, this is perfect. This is the lightest model you can get.
What do you omit when you get this model as far as the weight? Is it the lightest
It's
model?
minimal because all the little goodies add-ons you don't get on the 1LT, which is this.
Damn, that sounds good.
I know.
Yeah,
The
you're looking-
only options I got.
Oh, that's
This
the
is
elementary
school
school. I got
principal.
it.
They're at school right now. The only options I got in this was the wheels, the red calipers, and the performance exhaust, which is too quiet.
It's
so-
too quiet.
Too quiet, yeah. See, she's a female. She doesn't know anything about cars. It's not her fault. And she knows it's too quiet. And it has the option performance exhaust. So anyone out there is
Again.
wondering. I don't think he can hear you.
You yeah, not over my exhaust.
You're doing
This is a sweet ride. But yeah, I wish it was like
More of a rumble to it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now the Z06 is out. That thing sounds amazing out of the box. It sounds like Ferrari.
That's the one you should have got.
Well, I don't.
Ooh, but that sounds. I like the downshift.
The downshifts are cool.
Yeah.
And once the exhaust is done, you'll hear that a lot more. The burples, all the shit.
I kind of think that needs to move to the top priority of your list, to be honest. Beautiful car. I wish it was louder.
Park.
We'll park right in front of the castle.
Don't give me car rash, dude. I swear to God, I'll punch you on camera right now.
Throw punch.
I'll fucking punch you so hard.
I want to do it just to see it. I'm kidding. I won't.
Okay.
Problem is, I can't see.
I know it's hard. Even I'm getting used to it. The car's so fucking wide. You're good.
Okay, I just can't see. Sorry, bro. Okay,
So, all right. Final thoughts. You like it?
I love it. I do love it. I love how tight it is.
Mhm.
Could be just because it's new.
Yeah.
It's really easy to
drive.
handle. Now, downside, maybe just being a woman, but blind spots, horrible.
Yeah, I know. That's my
No
gripe
good.
too.
Actually almost dangerous. But price you gotta pay
Yeah.
for driving a hot car. And then louder. You
Yeah.
know, but you know, you're gonna take care of that's an aftermarket thing.
No,
You're gonna
I'll
take care of it.
that, yeah.
And yeah, but
But styling though is amazing.
Oh,
Inside and out
top
styling,
notch.
perfect. Yeah,
your yellow one, I think is a tad more fun to drive.
it is.
You know,
Yeah.
just because.
Yeah, I agree.
But hey, you have the best of both worlds, so don't bitch.
Mhm.
You know,
That's true.
you're lucky to have both. So,
Yep.
and one day again, I think now it's my 50th birthday. The yellow
You're
one's
50?
gonna. When I do come 50, you're gonna give me the yellow one.
2 more years, man.
2 more years. You're
right.
such a dick.
Say bye.
Bye.
And if this video goes really bad, you won't see her for a while.
You'll
But if
make
it does good, she'll be on sooner than
he
later.
wasn't kidding. He didn't let me come back on his video
It's
for
been
17 months.
it's been about a year since you've been on. Yeah.
So be nice to me, otherwise you won't see me again until I test drive. I don't know, a Subaru. I don't know.
Everyone's like, "Phew, my God,
Out of
Subaru, you're a lesbian."